Good morning and welcome to a freezing day in New York City. I'm here with Daisy and John and we're heading to go see some bike porn. First mission of today.
Donuts.
Donuts, why? Of course.
Very typical American thing. NYPD coming out of a donut shop.
I think they've seen us. We're gonna get arrested.
What's the Simpsons character?
Chief Wiggum.
They're famous for red velvet donut.
That one?
It's like an old school one. They didn't have that, so they just had this.
That's not a donut.
I guess technically a crawler,
It's nice.
so I can go faster.
What you do is you train with all of this dirt on there,
Yeah.
and then when you eventually get rid of it,
The question is though,
you'll be really fast.
the question is, what am I training for?
They call it Category 6.
Cat 6? Like, in the Fred League?
So we've just dropped off our bikes at Redbeard. We're going to head back to the shop in a minute. First stop though, coffee, because none of us have had any and we're starting to struggle. It's like the coldest day ever and you're having an iced coffee. Right, we're now caffeinated.
Like, big time.
Over caffeinated. Should we go and check out some bike porn?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So we're like hanging out in here, and these three little kids come in, and like they're sitting on like the folded up like Bromptons, which is like a recipe for like breaking them. They're like ringing all the bells, like hitting all the gears and everything. And eventually Ilya just came out and yelled at them, and like it was so good. Yeah.
Hello.
Francis.
Yeah, here we have a celebrity
This is
in
my
our midst.
girlfriend, Daisy.
Hello.
And
Sort of anticlimactic.
It's got sparkles.
Yeah, it's
I figured-
it's shiny, so my granddaughter likes it. I saw that somebody bought one at Strictly, but not with this color scheme.
Yeah.
What's the difference between the standard Venge and this edition?
Sagan's name, the paint job, and then I would assume carbon layout.
This paint job is nuts. You let this guy lead rides.
No, as long as I don't see what he's doing out there.
To be fair, when I lead rides, I often get dropped.
This shop is awesome. You've got like parlays hanging off the wall.
Because why not? I mean, the focus, I feel like, especially for a local shop, will often have to be custom. Because unless you're ready to like pack in 1 million bikes, like Strictly,
Yeah.
and just like, you know, sell them as fast as you can't have a smaller space and do that. So, I mean, they really focus on sort of like rider first, you know, get the fit, build the bike that's like right for you, or if you're not, you know, if you don't want custom, right, you know, they do work with a couple brands that are like very solid and, you know, you're gonna get like quality out of, so.
It's a bit like James's point of view, isn't it?
Yeah.
Same sort of thing. This is what Nuria wants, custom 7, Dura Ace,
they
all
want
mechanical. Lightweights, it's like £1 billion for a set of wheels. Ah, this is a Mosaic.
The G series, so the gravel bike. You're familiar with?
Yeah, so we used to sell these parlays and I used to work for Bespoke. They're pretty heavy on custom builds, but as well as the custom frames, they also do off the peg like loads of different sizes, so they'll pretty much fit anybody. Kind of, the lugs look super neat.
Yeah.
Look at the band on as well.
That's actually, as far as details are concerned, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah. You can see it there. That's crazy. Is that what you want?
It's pretty nice. That's the thing.
Nice. Yeah. Sorry, I put pink on your bike. That's bling.
There's bling as
Balls. I don't know anything about Gunner.
like really high quality Reynolds steel.
US based.
Yes.
Yeah.
But and actually like pretty affordable, all things considered, for like a custom steel. Like I'm thinking about it always.
Yeah. You could get that paint job. You'd suit that.
You think? Can I
man.
pull it off?
Remain calm. I've just spotted a bike with Comic Sans on it. What is that? So we are just heading to the place that we keep hearing is some of the best pizza in New York. A place called Grimaldi's. If it's closed, apparently they've opened a place next door, which is the same owners. It should be the same pizza. Fingers crossed. You got your work cut out, guys.
That's just for you.
There it is, Daisy. What do you think?
Yeah, iconic.
It's the most Instagrammed place in Brooklyn, maybe. Have you ever seen these? It's like the fake version of the bike that changes colour in heat.
Oh.
They did this one as a
Yes.
cheaper option. You could
Will
get
it
like at
change?
one point you could get helmets and all sorts. It doesn't change.
You know what I like is the disc one. Eventually, you're not going to have a choice. Like eventually, new bikes aren't going to be manufactured. Calling it 3 years. No new rim brake bikes
That's
out
a
of major
big call.
manufacturers.
That's a big call. You're gonna brave the outside world.
Sadly, yes.
Take care. Thank you
See
so
you,
much once again, showing us all over New York. I'm glad I've chosen this place to film, the loudest intersection in the whole city.
Literally the loudest place on earth.
Nice cruise back from one end of Manhattan to the other. It's insane how long you can ride in a straight line in this city. I'm loving this bit. Massive cycle path all to ourselves, and there isn't police cars parked in it. I'm sure it will last all of 30 seconds. There you go, it's over. That building is bent. Is it?
Just go
Yeah.
side.
Maybe. We're still only on 30th Street.
So we meet once again.
Over alcoholic
And
drinks.
once again we're drinking.
It seems to be a running theme.
Not with me, never with me. Create a hashtag for it.
So we just got to this bar. This is Ian. We were hanging out, having a few beers, and we noticed across the room there was a guy with an augmented reality headset, which is what Daisy's wearing right now. He's put this thing together. It's essentially got an iPhone and an eyepiece that lets you see anything you want, I think. Like,
It's not really like. I thought I'd be watching someone make it, but it's like a screen of someone making it. But it's good.
Done cooking. My head is large. That's a first.